Two things happened today. First is I lost my phone. Second is on my way to work, I feel sick. The phone is right there. Dang. Oh man. Thank God I found my phone. For sure Ode will like be mad at me. We just sleep for a couple of hours and then we're heading to the doctor to have some legal advice. No, medical advice of what's happening, because you know here it's a bipolar weather. Cold, not hot, warm. So see ya. All set and we're heading to Target.
No, I wanna eat.
Oh, you wanna eat? Sisig? You want? We're heading to Target to get some medicine. So, yep. So this is my purse. I bought it from Russ. I'm just kidding. So good thing is only us in the parking lot. Try look, the parking lot is so empty. Our car right there. And that's the like urgent care, but we're okay. It's just that this weather is SUCK.
I wanna eat. I'm hungry. How long were we there? 30, 40 minutes?
It's like an hour or something. Actually, we're here for medicine, not for grocery. Oh my god, Ode set me up. Instead of, I thought it was only medicine, but we're shopping. What to organize?
This is the one you can mount it on the door. Mount on door or wall. And it says over there the top off. It's in a box that says 50% off. Yeah. We're back home and I got my meds. Bam! Bam! I'm not feeling very well. I have cough and cold and it's triggering an asthma. So, inhaler is life. Cough meds. See this. Bam! Right. So, I'm putting away the eggs right now. So, since we were there in Target already, I figured to pick up some items. Some yogurt, our favorite garlic toast, sweet potato, avocado, more yogurt, Nutella, some oatmeal, and brownies. I'm gonna do a part 2 because I failed on the first one. My wipes. And lastly, my favorite pink lemonade. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Welcome to another day of
sickness.
No, I'm good now.
You're good, I'm not.
So, update.
Yeah.
I'm feeling well. Okay na ko. Wala na ako nagsakit. Wala na ako gihubak. Wala na ako gi-asthma. I pass it on to him. Today, I've been wearing PJs all day, every day. I was so busy organizing, cleaning, you know, getting a kickoff for spring. So, spring kickoff. Spring cleaning, o diba? Just went through around the house, clean up some stuff, organize, throw away some things I don't need, and some clutter. And I cook, and then I showered. And then still I'm wearing PJs right now. Yay! Because that's how I roll. I love wearing PJs. It's so comfortable. Come on, let's eat dinner.
So this is the dinner for today. It is pork chop with rice is life. Alright. With jalapeno, with gravy from Jollibee. No, it's Mang Tomas. Just kidding. And a juice and a water.
That's not juice.
What is this?
That's pink lemonade. Oh, sorry.
Alright guys, so we'll just eat and see you in a bit.
Right, so we just got done eating. That was a very sumptuous dinner made by yours truly. My specialty. All fried items. Yes, because it's easy. So I love to fry things. I love to fry. I mean, I know it's not very healthy, but you know, that's all I could do.
And bake.
And bake. So Thank you, Net, for doing the dishes. I so appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Sorry, I'm doing like this. I'm sitting on our bar chair. So, I love doing this. Yay! This brings back memories. Back home in the Philippines.
You guys have?
Oh my God, right by the dining?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, I love this.
Magastag kamayang ang umaga, ang umaga, magugas plato tanduha. Yeah. Can you STOP? Thank you.
I have something to tell you guys.
Yeah, tell them.
No, first, I would like to thank all of you guys for the positive comments in our last vlog. It was titled, Send Some Positive Vibes. Thank you so much for all the likes, your comments, all your warm messages lifted my spirit up. And it has been a very challenging 2 weeks. However, now I am all good because I got the job! I got the job! Ian knew about it as soon as I found out, so I texted him. I let him know.
Excuse me.
I let him know that I got the job. So yeah, it's all good. Alright, so I think we'll end the vlog here. See you guys on our next vlog. And again, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate all your comments, your likes. If you're watching right now, you're awesome. Thank you. Bye. Aloha.
Excuse me.
I love it.